Good morning, children. I'm your teacher, Aarti ma'am, from Sanskriti School. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself, children. I know that you all are happy these days because the teachers are sending some nice fun activities to you, isn't it? You're listening to nice stories, singing rhymes, and also learning something interesting every day, isn't it? Mm, that's really good, children. But see to it that you sit at home and enjoy all these fun activities that the teachers are sending you, isn't it? Now, today we are going to continue with the numbers. Now, before we start, you know what, children? Someone has come to meet you today. Are you excited to see who has come? Okay. And see, he is Comfy, and Comfy has come to meet you all. Comfy, come on, say hello to all the Sanskriti children. Hello, children. How are you? It's nice to meet you, everyone. Comfy. Now you sit and see what we are doing, okay? Children, do you know why Comfy has come? Because as you are also not able to go to school, you're missing your teachers and friends, even Comfy is not able to go to school. He is also missing all the fun and he's also missing all the learning that we are doing. So now today he is also going to learn the numbers with us. Are you all excited? Come on, Comfy. You are also going to be a part of it, okay, today? Now, before we start, children, you remember last time we had done the numbers from 1 to 20? Now, we all are going to quickly revise these numbers, okay? You're going to say the numbers with me. Are you all ready? Come on. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Well done. Let's continue. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. And 2, 0, 20. That's great. You all remember, isn't it? Aarti ma'am, I have also done these numbers. My teacher has also taught me. That's good, Comfy. Now what are we going to do next? Now we will be doing the numbers from 21 to 30. Now children, I am going to show you the flashcard and you will be repeating the number with me. You will be repeating the number after me, okay? Same thing last time also we have done. Remember? Okay. Are you all ready? Come on. Are you ready, Comfy? Yes, I am also ready. Let's begin. 2, 1, 21. You have to repeat the number, okay? 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. And 3, 0, 30. Yay! Well done, children. Very nice. I'm also happy to learn these numbers. Okay. Now, Aarti ma'am, what are we going to do next? Yes, children, I know. We are going to write the numbers again from 21 to 30. Aarti ma'am, I want a book and a pencil to write the numbers. Children, do we write the numbers with a pencil or a book? Hmm? Then how are we going to write the numbers? Comfy, we use our pointer fingers to write the numbers. Children, remember na? Chalo, are you all ready? With your pointer fingers? Don't look here and there. Let's write the numbers, okay, with the pointer fingers. Let's start. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. And 3, 0, 30. That was so nice, children. So comfy. How was it? Surely it was really interesting, Aarti ma'am. Now, children, we are going to do something. Now, I am going to pick up any flashcard and I am going to show you the flashcard, okay? And you are going to guess the number, okay? You are going to recognize the number. I may pick up any flashcard. I may show you a flashcard of number 2. Then I may show you the flashcard of number 10. And you have to recognize the number, okay? Are you all ready then? Let me see which number is coming first. Okay, now which number is this, children? Absolutely right. This is number 4. Now let's see which number is coming. Number. Comfy. You are also going to answer, okay? Number. Which number? Right, children. This is number 8. Now let's see which is coming. Which number is this? Yes. 1, 5, 15. Good job, children. Now, Aarti ma'am, I want to tell this number. Okay, children, let's give Comfy the chance, okay, to answer. Come on, Comfy. Tell this number. This number is, Aarti ma'am, 20. Amazing. Come on, children. Let's everyone clap for Comfy for giving the right answer. Now, let's see which number is coming. Right, this is 2 to 22. And this is last number. Now, last number is coming up is nice. 2, 9, 29. Wonderful, children. Now, Comfy, how did you find to do these numbers with us? It was really nice. I find it very interesting. Thank you, Aarti ma'am, and thank you, children. I learned the numbers today. But children, now till we meet next time, we are going to practice these numbers, okay? You're going to keep saying the numbers and also write the numbers with the help of your pointer finger. So now we are done for the day. It's time for me to say goodbye. And Comfy, we'll meet the children again. Okay, say goodbye to the children. Goodbye, children. And children, till we meet next time, take good care of yourself, okay? Now, see you again. See you soon.